Okay, recording in progress. So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Keep this energy for almost 1 hour. Okay. So I started with scandium, chromium iodide. Okay, let's start with the scandium again. What is the atomic number of scandium? 21. Electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. You will not understand. First time for you, I think. And not possible also to explain again. So at least remember this order: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. At least remember this order. Okay, by heart for time being. For time being. Okay. In 1s, how many orbitals? 1 in 2s, how many orbitals? In 2p, how many orbitals? 3s, 1, 3p, 3, 4s, 1, 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Done. 1 has how many electrons? 2. 2 has how many? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got this doubt clear, no? 1, 1, 1 first, then pairing. 1, 1, 1 electron, then pairing. Okay, 3s, 2 electrons, 3p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4s, again 2, 3d, 1. Just take Pariksha. Test. If I can put this wrong, correct. Wrong, correct. Wrong, correct. But we follow one general method. Okay. Ask your teacher this question, huh? Ask your teacher this question, sure. Teacher, why we cannot put here? Why we cannot only have to put here like this? Why we cannot put here? And tell me the answer. What she's saying. Okay? Clear with this thing? Good. So I done the chromium part. Chromium, atomic number is what? 24. So what is the correct electronic configuration for chromium? 4s1 and 3d5. 4s1 and 3d5. Except her, all of you know this thing, no? Clear, Asa? 4s1, 3d5. Yes? Why? Why that one electron is going from here to here? 3d5. T5 is a stable half-filled configuration. Half-filled configuration. Half-filled configuration are called as what? Stable configuration. Clear, sir? Okay. And the energy gap between 4s and 3d is what? Small. The energy gap between 4s and 3d is what? Very small. So the one electron from 4s can easily jump to 3d to make the electrons, to make it to attain what? Half-filled stable configuration. Because of course I am doing it again. Chromium पहिले कोण येत आहे? Vanadium. Vanadium atomic number is what? 1 to 30 elements by atom. 1 to 30. Vanadium atomic number is what? 23. Okay, electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d3. Correct, no? 4s2, 3d3. This is for vanadium. Okay. For chromium, actually it should be like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and what? 3d4. But this is wrong. One electron from 4s jumps to what? 3d. And it becomes what? 3d5. The first reason, because d5 configuration, that is called as half-filled stable configuration. Only for chromium. So always mark that chromium element as a star element. Chromium element as a star element. Clear? Okay. So right, I will give the reason. There only, if you have the space, now you can write there only, or you can write on the next page. Reason. Please write the reason for chromium first. Write somewhere. No. Write somewhere else. Don't disturb that thing. Or if you have space there, no, near chromium only you can write. In your own words, so the small things I will give. First reason, the energy gap between 4s and 3d is very small. The energy gap between 4s and 3d is very small. The energy gap between 4s and 3d is very small. The energy gap between 4s and 3d is very small. As a result, the energy gap between 4s and 3d is very small. As a result, one electron from 4s, as a result, one electron from 4s jumps to 3d. One electron from 4s jumps to 3d, and chromium attains CR, right? CR. Okay, chromium, right? CR. Chromium attains stable, half filled, stable, half filled, D5 configuration. Stable, half filled, D5 configuration. If I say next line, it will be a horrible condition for you, I think, no? So on the next page, new page, or on the top part, top margin, that page only, top margin you write. That page only, top margin, new space, no there, so you write there. This page, when you return for Chromium, no, on that page only top margin you write. P3, D5, P3, right, like this. P3, D5, F7. And just mark, marker, half filled stable configuration. Half filled stable configuration. Half filled stable configuration. P6, D10, F14. P6, D10, F14. Sorry, F small, huh? No, capital, sorry. F small, huh? Not capital, F small, huh? F small, huh? F small. F14. What do you write? Stable, fulfilled. म्हाका तुमची फिलिंग्स नाकात. FILLED. Don't write FEELED. आसा आमचे थोडे. फिलिंग्स आपणाले बरयतात. Filled. 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 Fulfilled stable configuration. Clear? अजून हो जो कॉन्सेप्ट आसा न्ही हाफ फिल्ड फुल फिल्ड आणि आमकां मुखार आय विल एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल. सध्या इतलेंच याद दवरा एट प्रेझेंट. ओके, क्लियर? सो आफ्टर chromium, what is the next element? Manganese. So can I make changes here only? All you have written up to 28, I think. All of you written 28. Oh, I told my homework is important. Now I cannot wait. No. How many of you have not written up to 28? Only one person. You written? Why? Sir, foreign yeah. Sir, dangerous. I second time no gira. Third time I will just blast you with an hydrogen atom. Boss I can go to hydrogen atom. Misaili portala and sottala. Show. Do it next time, huh? Quick, so homework I am giving very small, 10 minutes homework. But that 10 minutes na bitar maga it's a concept jata. Okay, so next time, both of you. अरे तू कसं झालं शोवर बॉम्ब बसलो रेकॉर्ड जाता न्ही he has the proof. Father going Goa, someone puts a bomb on Goa. कोणाचे असले recording हांवें घातलं म्हणून पाकिस्तानी भगाओ इसको यहाँ से. Okay, do it next time. Okay. So others have written up to 28. Okay, so I will write. This is you will complete. I cannot wait now. You will complete afterwards. Leave some space. Leave three lines and come to copper. Copper. 29. Sanvi, copper spelling is what? COPPER. No. Then why we are writing CU? Yes, very good. Yes, we got it. I got it. Pura isnet maka. Expected nasil. You are the first one in 11th standard who is telling me this. Every year same question. What is in Mercury we write Hg? Yes or no? What is that Hg? Any except or anyone knows what is that Hg? Yes. Hey, Mercury is Hg. I know. What is that Hg full form? Anyone else? Okay, compulsory na re, but आमची knowledge वाढवपाक खातीर it is called as hygragairum. Sodium. We don't write SO, we write Ne. You know that what is Ne? Others, anyone? This is just for information. Find out करा. The interesting दिसता न्ही. आता हायड्रोजन आहे, हिलियम याची, लिथियम Li, बेरिलियम B, S बोरोना कॅपिटल B, कार्बन C. तर मधी सोडियम Ne कित्याक? Find out. बरें आसा. Copper. At the copper electronic configurations, I will write the order first. 1s2, then what? 2s2. This 2 means electrons. The atomic number of copper is 29. Means copper has 29 electrons. So in 1s, we can fill only 2 electrons. 2s, we can fill 2 electrons. In 2p, 3 orbitals, 6 electrons we can fill. So 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and it should be what? 4s2 and what? 3d9. It should be 4s2, 3d9. Yes or no? Count. 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 20, 29. Okay? So it should be like this, no? But जायला करून दाखवता. One orbital, two electrons. One orbital, two electrons. 2p, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3s, two electrons. 3p, three orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4s, two electrons. And 3d, how many orbitals? 5 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? But this is wrong. Actually, it should be like this. Actually, it should be like this. But what happens in copper? One electron from 4s jumps to 3d. So therefore, it's a star element, and its actual electronic configuration of copper is, be with me here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. Understood? Reason same उरतले. फक्त हांगा कितें बरयतले? What it attains? Don't write half filled, full filled stable configuration. For chromium, it is half filled stable configuration. And why? Because the energy gap between 4s and 3d is small. Okay, so just we'll write the electronic configuration. 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here. Skyla, I will explain you later. I will get. I think your exams will be end of July. 21st exam for July. August नहीं? August? You study now only. I'm sorry. I will try my best. Sometime in between I will explain. Don't worry. I'm not that much bad. तू एकटू नाशिल्ले म्हणून तुका explain करप ना. I have only one rule in my teaching. I want all of you to be together. Unity. फास्ट का तेको कळना तू explain करतले. तुका कळना ते explain. 4s1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mark कर copper and chromium. Is it done? Right. Copper, and last is our last element will be zinc. Right, for zinc also. Then we'll solve some examples. Extra version of this electronic configuration. Samiksha. Yeah, fine. More than 300 names I have to remember. Possible है ना ये paragraph. More than 300. In the externals only there are more than 100 students. 2 branches we have, no? We have 2 branches, no? So that branch only in 12 there are more than 50. In 11 there is more than 25 or 30. There are only 80. Here you all are almost 20 something. So 100, more than 100 students for the 2 branches. Except I have my other students. They are more than 100. 2 divisions. बरे झिंक बरे पळय कशें बरयता तें पळोवया. अरे रॉंग वन बरयलें. ओके काय गुड. बरे पळय झिंक पळोवया कशें बरयता तें पळोवया. तकलेर हात धरून. ओके. कितें करतलें? तेजे वयरूच काडलो. पयर सांगलो तुका सारकें बरय म्हणून. आतां शक्तिमान जालो तो ऑलरेडी जालो. आतां खंयचो एलिमेंट तो कॉपर काय झिंक? Okay, you are writing this way the electrons. It's also correct, huh? See, if you are writing, then follow the same for everyone, every electron. Here you have written half. Okay, this is also correct way. Your teachers can explain you like this: half for full. Okay, arrow full. That means electrons. Okay, so if you are following the full thing, follow for everyone. Or if you are following the half one, follow the half one. Both are correct, huh? You understanding? You have practice at home. Take me chapter. Take me correctly. You practice. Right. Sure. Okay. What you tried? You understood? Yes. So think you have written of your own. Right. This way I told. Ah. How are you today? एक joke मारो तुझे. Okay, right. Right. Arey, what you are writing? Leave space and write for the to copper first. Complete copper first. Complete copper first. Benjamin, done? Show me. Good. Homework complete कर पाता. Done? Okay. Oh, zinc रहे. Zinc बरे म्हणाल बरं. Ah, your written for zinc. Very good. Write the element symbol Zn. See, for element we write like this. A, sorry, Z atomic number, A mass number. So we write B like this, okay? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p6, 2p6, P it is. 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 310, right? Okay, good. 6, make it correct, write it correctly. 6, make it 6 proper, 6. It is looking like 1. Make it 6. Okay. So complete zinc का must है. Then I will give some examples for your 110% or you can change my name. This type of questions I will solve. I have some type of questions. 110% for exam or you can change my name. That type of questions I will solve now. एक म्हटलं कॉपर आणि क्रोमियम 110% यातलो जो दिसता न्ही दिसता तुमकां दिसता येतलो तो ना जाल्यार ना म्हणून सांग तोंडार सांग खूप दिसता दिसता म्हणून इट विल कम फॉर शुअर कॉपर और क्रोमियम 110%. आता there are some more types of question for the electronic configuration. So 1 to 30 element. Sorry, 1 to 30 elements everyone knows by heart except her. Start. 1 to 30. One to 30. Fluorine. म्हाका न्ही फ्लोरिना सॉरी म्हण म्हाका सॉरी म्हणनाका. Sorry to fluorine. Sulfur. Potassium. Say sorry to potassium. Potassium, calcium. Arey, if you keep like this, how I will understand what you are saying? Potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc. It should be like this, huh? Can I say one? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc. म्हाका वर्सां लागली हें करपाक. It's not easy. But there are some students who have done this in 3 to 4 days. Accept as a challenge, not for fast. Don't do it for saying fast. Say for your understanding. Examine. If I am a teacher, I will not give atomic number. I will just give a symbol. Ti. Write electronic configuration. This much. बरं झालं हा टीचर ना म्हणून लायला म्हणून म्हाका घेऊ ना. I will use such type of example. Clear असा आता electronic configuration. Any doubts here? She has also understood. Focus here. There are some examples, students. I think example दिता हांव तुमकां oxygen. What is the electronic configuration of oxygen? Atomic number is what? 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p. Correct? I will draw the this orbital now. Okay, focus here. Focus here. कितना important करता? Two electrons. See here how we have to draw this 2p4. 1, 1, 1, and there you. You cannot draw 2 here at a time. 1, 2, 3. Because they are of. Why we are drawing 1, 1, 1? So remove now. Why you put one electron first? Hund's rule. Hund's rule की सांगता they are of what energy? Same energy. Hund's rule, Hund's rule. ते rules मासे बाहेर करा था, which is given in the notes. Okay. मासे important is understanding. आता पहा. If I write here an ion, oxygen 2 minus. If I tell you to write electronic configuration of Simon की बहन, look here. If I tell you to write the electronic configuration of oxygen 2 minus, first you understand which element it is, oxygen. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. So what is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. But that 2 minus means what? We have added 2 more electrons. 2 minus means don't remove. We have added how many electrons? 2 more electrons. So what I will tell you, I will suggest you for starting 4 to 5 examples. What you do, you write electronic configuration of oxygen first. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Right, like this. Then write for oxygen 2 minus. What is electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. So concept is interesting. In 1s, how many electrons? 2. In 2s, how many electrons? 2. In 2p, how many orbitals? 3. How many electrons? 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you seen any time असे म्हणतात oxygen has -2 charge? You heard about it sometime. I'm telling you. Oxygen is a stable charge की जाणतो. जे oxygen so charge oxygen चे तो clear एक charge असता that is -2. Can you tell me why it is -2 stable? Can you just look at this and tell me why oxygen will have -2 charge as a stable charge? किती माहिती का? 56 to P6. That is what? Fully filled stable configuration. आणि सांगता. Sodium has atomic number. NaCl को बरं का नाही? NaCl म्हणजे कोण? Our salt, what we use. So, have you seen NaCl anytime like this, Na plus and Cl minus? Yes? For reason. Why? Sodium has electronic configuration. What it is? Atomic number 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Na plus means what? We have added one electron, we removed one electron. Removed. If you remove one electron from sodium, what I will get? 3s0. Correct, असा कळटा? Cl. Atomic number 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 आणि किती? 3p5. Correct? If I say Cl minus, if I am saying Cl minus, how many electrons we have added? 1. What will be the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Much कळटा का? Why Cl is becoming Cl minus? Hey, sodium किती म्हणता? तू घेऊन चल. Why? What this sodium is saying to Cl? Take my one electron. Cl is saying, give me one electron. Understood the reason? Because they are attaining what? Stable configurations. So like this in the exams, the charge type of thing is also asked. Ions are also asked as the electronic configuration. So these are very easy ones. So you have some difficult ones also. Okay? So इसको लगा डाला तो life. 110% these type of questions will be asked in your exam, or you can change my name. So बोला okay, right this. Barso Baldim. I don't know what is there in Muslim. I don't know. Barso and Baldim, I know. Baldim Mundani. Christian Baldim Munda. Yes, sir. Baldim Mundani, huh? तुझे रोसा बिस्ता होता हूँ फ्रेंड्सा मगल आप इतना मका रोसा बिस्ता शेख अगर रोज उड़ेता तो ले हमको सोयना नहीं थी डांस भी करवा रहता अरे देवा डांस करवा रहता मग किती लॉस दिसता पण ते खाजरा कंपल्सरी डांस करवा पडता कोई हम कोणा काय आणि ते कसे दे डोंट हैव रूल्स लाइक दे डोंट हैव स्पेशल पार्टनर्स कोणी घेऊन असं डान्स करता माझ्या फ्रेंडा मम्मी घेऊन म्हाका डान्स करपाक लागली म्हाका कळटा अशें करपाक म्हाका असं हात धरपाक अशें हात धरप म्हागे पांय अशें अशें आमी ते हे खेळटा पळय धालो खेळटा पळय तशें टायप I don't know to dance. I am a very bad dancer. Benjamin, you are a good dancer. Bathroom dancer like me. While bathing. Do you have any steps you are? Okay. What about you? What's your dancer? Dancer though? Just okay, right fast. You are understanding something? Not. No problem. So at least you understood this part, what we are doing. You remember that electronic configuration order 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3p. If I understand that much is very good. सारखे नाही त्या कळप नाही इम्पॉर्टंट सध्या तरी. Okay? Good. Let's do it. Today's class, I will just do this part only. Yeah? Then I will give you some homework today. Homework असपास आहे नाले class घेतल्यापासून feeling आहे ना. See, don't draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it is 56. If you draw two also, you get the same thing. But the actual thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, do like this. Correct method. त्याच्या हाताने दिसभर जायना आहे जाम पडटा. You are from where actually? फोंडा आवय आमच्या फोंडे पावपाक न्ही कोण येता व्हरपाक? फोंडा you said no? Ah, बोड्डा बोड्डा. Problem आसा. Done? Done? All of you are done? कोण उरला? Okay, example दिता. Complete दिता. So what you will do if I give any example, write for the first for that element so that तुमका एलिमेंटाची practice जातली. Then write for the whatever the example I have given for the ion. For the ion, okay. So while writing, be careful. See that what you have to do and do. Don't do shortcut. Direct ion nako maka. At least for starting 4 to 5 examples, write for the element then the ion. Magi तुम्ही directly shortcut मारो. Okay. So the example is magnesium 2 plus. Electronic configuration. Okay. Question here, write electronic configuration of first one magnesium 2 plus. Magnesium 2 plus. Write electronic configuration of magnesium 2 plus. 2 plus means we have added the electron, removed the electron. Removed. How many? 2. Good. Understand? Good. Draw the orbitals. Now, you draw as like this. Okay. Just check if your teacher is accepting that as now. Okay. Draw the orbitals. Huh? Orbitals. Yes, 4 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 10, 12 झाले नी. Atomic number of magnesium is what? 12 नी. Manganese is 25. Here. Confused. Be careful. Manganese is 25. Magnesium is 12. No problem. No problem. No problem. Do it. Do it. No problem. This you will remember forever now. This you will remember forever. जाय तितली mistake कर क्लासीन सगळे wrong कर मग काय problem ना. Exam correct कर. You cannot. I don't want you to lose marks here. This mark should be in your pocket. You know this concept. This is not molarity, normality, mole fraction, mass percentage, volume percentage. Empirical formula, molecular formula. That is easy. Empirical formula, molecular formula. Okay, magnesium 2 plus. Yeah. Can I write directly? आम्ही बरयता तूंय बरय. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 आणि कितें 3s2. Correct आसा? Best न्ही? Good. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 आणि कोण 3s0. If your teacher not writing 3s0 is also correct. If you are not writing 3s0, correct. But हांव सदां एक habit दवरता कित्याक from magnesium आमी electron remove करता न्ही. We are showing that it is removed from 3s. That is I am showing. Easy, okay? Good? Easy? सामकें? Okay, take this example. Aluminium 3 plus. Aluminium Al 3 plus. Al 3 plus. Skylar. Okay. 3 plus. You got this effect? Dot orbitals also. Huh? In one is one orbital. Here three. Here one. Now you do for aluminum plus. Right for aluminum also. 3p0. Now you're doing is good, but not required to write for aluminum. Only aluminum plus 3 you write orbital. For aluminum, just write the electronic configuration. Now you're doing okay, no problem for me. Do it. Draw the orbitals. Show the orbitals also. Show the orbitals. Orbitals काढ बुवा. हाव काढणं म्हणून ते काढपाचे ना. ते काढ. सगळ्या काढ. हाय सिरीज साठी काम करूया कम्प्लीट हा. Draw the orbitals ना. तर तू काढ ना. आम्ही किती काढूया? काढा आम्ही काढता. Draw the orbitals. 3s0. Show it empty. किती झालं नेत्रावती? मार मार मार. ते जाम पडला. मार मार. Okay. Aluminium. Aluminium. See, along with the electronic configuration, draw the orbitals. Huh? I told you last time also. This is 3s. It should be here. This is 3p. It should be here. Or while writing, leave some space. Cut this side again. Write aluminium 3 plus all again. Leave some space while writing. Understood? It has a meaning. You know that meaning also. So aluminium bone क्या? Atomic numbers are 13, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Aluminium 3 plus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3s0 आणि 3p0. एक क्वेश्चन विचारता मग. One question I will ask. Okay, pens down, focus. How many electrons you have to remove from aluminium? 3. From where you remove the first electron? Which orbital? Which subshell? 3s or 3p? 3p. The second electron? 3s. And third electron? 3s. Understood? Good. हुशार आहात. Good. Easy? Easy? Understanding? Sure? Right for this. Titanium plus 2. Titanium plus 2. Ti plus 2. Atomic number of titanium? 22. 22. By there, 1 to 30. Titanium plus 2. What is this? What is that? This is T. I'm asking, is that T? Cursive T is like this. Which type of T is written like this? I'm just asking capital or cursive. Which English is this? The school it is taught like this T. I'm just asking, I don't know. Capital or small it is? Capital. Okay. It is not taught like this. Capital and small like this. No, I'm just asking, I don't know. Maybe new origin. I'm just asking. What type of T is this type of T is called? It is capital it seems, especially with T kattati. What is this language? English only? Cursive capital T is like this, as small T? Like this? This is small T in cursive. A normal time also करूया. See, देवा. माझी इंग्लिश इतकी कमी असतं रे. Okay, draw. Write it. See that your teachers know this, huh? आमकां जाल्यार अशें शिकयल्लें म्हणून सांगता. आय डोंट नो तुमकां अशें शिकयलां? कॅपिटल टी अशी आनी स्मॉल टी अशी. कॅपिटल आय अशी आनी आय अशी स्मॉल. आमकां अशें शिकयल्लें. ए. हा कर्सिव सी अशी काडटा न्ही? टिटेनियम प्लस टू. Interesting आसा टिटेनियम प्लस टू. Okay, titanium atomic number is 12. Correct, नी? Atomic number is 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 आणि कोण? All of you have done titanium plus 2. कोण उरला अजून करपाचो? 10th term. Done with titanium plus 2. You are doing? Do it. From where you remove the 2 electrons? Last one, which one? 3D. Yes, good. 3D, good. 3D, good. 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 Wrong. 3D, good. Huh? 4S. Very much wrong. Good. Very good. All those who have said 3D is wrong. What I said? Last class, I know. First time करता. म्हणून हांव मुद्दाम example दिता. Starting examples बरी दिसता ती. When I come to 21 to 30, the examples become little difficult. And the reason is because 4S subshell is first and 3D. Why we are writing 4S first? We know N plus L rule. Yes or no? N plus L rule. Pauli exclusion principle, Abbo principle. But आता म्हाका एक सांग normally if I am a nucleus, first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell. Try to understand the concept. Confusion is correct. हे confusion जावपाकूच जाय. आनी अशें answer wrong मेळपाकूच जाय आनी परत बरोवपाक पडपाक जाय. But understand जावपाक जाय कित्याक wrong thing. If I am a nucleus, first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell. The electron which is present in the first shell is very close to the nucleus, so it will be attracted by the nucleus towards itself. Tightly hold करून दवरतलो तेका, yes or no? मागीर कोणा hold करून दवरतलो? Second shell. मागीर कोणा hold करून दवरतलो? Third shell. मागीर कोणा hold करून दवरतलो? Fourth shell. आता म्हाका जर electron काडपाक जाय, can I remove from the first shell easily? I can remove, but can I remove easily? No. Can I remove from second, little more easier way than first shell? Yes or no? As compared to first shell? Yes. Can I remove the electron from the third shell as compared to second shell? Can I remove the electron from the fourth shell as compared to third shell? Then can we remove the electron from 3D in place of 4s? Can I remove the electron from 3D in place if there is a 4s? Yes or no? So from where the 2 electrons should be removed? Understood your mistake? Understood your mistake? आता आम्ही बरयता तुम्ही म्हणटाले सर आम्ही 4s पयली बरयता 3D बरयता. It is because of N plus L rule. That time I told you this thing, but I परत सांगता. While writing we write, and that time I also explained this. While writing we write the first electrons in 4s, then 3D. I accept this, but while removing, I mean practically विचार कर, तू थर्ड शेला पयली रिमूव्ह करपाक पळयतलो काय फोर्थ शेलाचो रिमूव्ह करतलो? काडपाक खंयचो रिमूव्ह करपाक खंयचो इजी practically? Fourth shell, न्ही? Are you getting the things here? So I will remove the first electron from 4s. Second electron from where? First electron from 4s. Where is from the second electron? 2 electrons I have to remove. Yes or no? First electron I will remove from what? 4s. Second electron? 4s. Third electron? 3D. Which one? I will just draw this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Well, try to understand. First electron from 4s. Second electron from 4s. Third electron from 3D. Which one? Which entered the last. So for us, our understanding, we have put this second, no? So we'll remove this one. Clear? Fourth electron. electron. Fifth electron. This one, correct, no? Understanding the things now? Clear as a doubt? Anyone has doubt? Understood? All those who have said 3D. And कोणी 4S म्हटला, you are knowing this? Okay, then good. Clear? The mistake केल्यार थंयची थंय correct करपाना. Cut मारपाचें परत बरोवपाचें. नेत्रावती, cut मार परत बरय. All of you, cut मार परत बरय. Understood now? So write for titanium plus 2. This is for titanium, huh? Write for titanium plus 2. It will be, I'm also writing with you all, don't worry. Titanium 2 plus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. See, I'm writing this, titanium plus 2, 3p6, 4s0, 3d2. Write like this. 1s, 1 subshell, 2s, 1 subshell, 2p, 3 orbital, 3s, 1 orbital, 3p, again 3 orbital, 4s, 1 orbital, 3d, 5 orbital, 2 electrons in 3d, 3p6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3s, 2 electrons, 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2s, 1, 2, 1s, 1, 2. Beyond बरेता. नेत्रावती येतले एक्झाम मी सांगू आमकां 5 ऑर्बिटल आसा म्हण डी सबशेलात न्ही हा नेत्रावती सायडीक बसतले आमच्या आमकां सांगतले अरे सर पळयता 5 ऑर्बिटल काड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन काड डायरेक्ट उलयता त्या टायमार ते सांगपा पडपा जायना तेका तरी ते सुद्दां बरोवपा लागला डायरेक्ट सांगता शी इज ऑल्सो रायटिंग आनी हेजी मिस्टेक फ्रॉम यू नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड आनी आसतले दोग जाण वीर कोण रावन मोरे फ्रॉम पळय डी हेज हाव मेनी ऑर्बिटल्स and 2 electrons in this or only 1 orbital. See how I have drawn? How you have written this? Do it correctly. Cut the whole thing and write again. I will make you write the whole thing now. Hey, you all are making mistakes. What you will do? When I give examples, you will write for the element. You will draw the orbitals of the element. You will fill the electrons of the element. Then you will do the for ions. Do it for 4 examples. You are doing wrong. Some of you are doing wrong. Still doing wrong. Benjamin, you understood your mistake? I said ds 5 orbitals. You have to show those 5 orbitals as per the quantum number rules. There are 4 quantum numbers. It has some meaning. It has some values, m values, l values. I am repeating again quantum numbers. How many quantum numbers we have? 4. Which are those? Principal, azimuthal, magnetic, and spin. It has meaning for this orbital. It has m values for this orbital. Please be careful. Wrong, huh? Direct 0. There is no half mark and all anything. So काय 0, त्या काय 0. आणि अजूनचे बाकीचे चेक करू ना. कळटले. एक सिंपल इलेक्ट्रॉन सुद्धा एक्स्ट्रा घातलो 0. हांव जाल्यार 0 घालता. तुमकां टिचर्स मे बी तुमकां ते हाफ मार्क दिले जाल्यार दिवपा ना. Because they put hard work here. They do hard work for these things, teachers. Clear? आता किती करता एकदा 3 examples दिता. For all the 3 examples, you will write for the element, you will write the orbitals. You will write for the ions, you will write the orbitals. Okay? Not only the shortcut. मागचे तुमकां कळटा म्हणून, but you are making mistakes. जोपर्यंत म्हाका 100% दिसना, I will make you write for sure. Okay, next example घे. हे clear झाले? First electron, we have to 2 electrons, we have to remove from 4s, then from 3d. Clear? Okay. I will make you time write 100 time, huh? याद दर. म्हाका तोंडाक केन्ना केन्ना number आयलो 100 सुद्दां येता. And I have made this thing. अशें ना की तूं आयजूच join जाला, कालूच join जाला. You are there from the first class of mine. Not only you, सगळ्या सांगता हांवें. But तूं आतां म्हाका चड मेळटा. Sir बी ना. No sir बी in this case. I told you, I am very serious about my things in chemistry. बाकीची फकाणां. This is important for me. Okay, next example घे. Fe2 plus. Third electronic configuration Fe2 plus. First type for Fe. Fe atomic number. Lisa. Lisa न्ही. Lisa न्ही. कोणा नाव घेता कोणा खबर. Lisa न्ही. Lisa न्हू. हा करेक्ट Lisa. हा सांग. टाइम टेबल सांग म्हाका. From morning to night. कितल्या उठता? 6 o'clock. मागीर अशें च्या बी पिलें भायर सरलें. स्टडी करता उठोन ना. करता कितले आवर्स? 1 hour. ओके मागीर मागीर तें कितल्यांक घरा कडेन पावता? हय स्कूल जावन 2 o'clock. वचून जेवता अडेज जाली. मागीर ट्युशन ना जाल्यार 2:30 to 4:30. What do you do? आयदन घासपाची. आयदन बी घासपाची. Okay, fine. What do you play?
I play taekwondo.
नागरी बाबा.
But now I don't do.
ओके नाका पूण की कितली वयर येता न्ही नागरी बाबा बसोन मारले जाल्यार हांव आफ्टर ओके देन वॉट यू डू आफ्टर रिचिंग होम आफ्टर ट्युशन
Revise my schoolwork.
at what time you start to revise
After I have some
food and snacks and all. So okay after that you have your dinner then after that
by 10
and उठतो कितल्या so if you are sleeping by 10 make a habit of waking up at 4 o'clock not directly first wake up at 5:45 then wake up at 5:30 then wake up at 5:15 then 5 o'clock 4:45 4:30 4:15 4 by 12 it should be 3:30 if you're sleeping at 10 huh? You cannot wake up directly at 4 o'clock every day so give a time of 15 minutes only 10 ची म्हाका नाका 10th percentage कितली पडली 94 12th same पडटली if you wake up at 5 o'clock challenge पडटली no impossible so your study time and your sleeping time by 12 your sleeping time should be only 5 hours by December next December not this one this December should be only 5 hours so plan accordingly I just सांगतो तुका जाल्यार you will be crossing 90 easy ना ही फकाणा this is only for fun actual chemistry start after the second exam actual chemistry start after the at the end of the second exam and start the third exam actual chemistry start so see that you are doing this झाल्या result बरो येतलो okay याद धर okay and don't be relaxed since आपण 10th ते 10th जावन 11th आमगे ती हॅबिट आसा 10th जाली 11th रिलॅक्स रावतात 11th सिरियस रावपाक okay Fe plus 2 Fe पळय Fe I'm telling for your betterment for your improvement okay याद धर don't take it wrong way ना taekwondo kick मारची म्हणजे 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 आणि 3d किती रे 3d 6 then I told you all to draw the orbitals one orbital 2 electrons one orbital 2 electrons 2p 3 orbitals 1 2 3 4 5 6 3s 1 orbital 2 electrons 3p 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 just 1 minute correct 4s 2 electrons 3d 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 just check if I get it. This is for Fe not Fe2 plus have you got this Sure. Now you have to write for Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus y 2 plus 4s0 done. बोर्डात टीचर झाल्यावर फायदा नाही. What is? No? Why? Not understood? I can explain again. ते येणार मग काय कळना. What you did? I just said no, you have to remove from the outermost shell. So 4s is the outermost shell. So you have to remove the 2 electron from 4s, not from this 3D. After removing from 4s, then you have to remove from 3D. Understood, no? So the 4 is the outermost shell, no? What is that? It should have been. I don't know if you know this. What is the meaning of 4 in that 4s? What is the meaning of that 4 in that 4s? Fourth shell, no? So outermost shell is the fourth shell. Right, Ani? Are you getting the things here? In that 3D, what is the meaning of that 3? Third is the shell. So 4s after पहिली काढपाचे then 3D. कोणी mistake केला cut मार परत बरे. I will wait for 1 minute. I will wait for 1 minute. ते व्हाईटनर नाक मग हा मुखार कोण दिल व्हाईटनर कोणी कोणाकडे व्हाईटनर डोंट यूज व्हाईटनर हा ती सवय उरता मागीर वायट सवय ती कट मार परत बरे फुल थिंग सिमोन की बहन यू यूज नॉट इन केमिस्ट्री अदर चॅप्टर व्हॉट इज दिस पेज कित केलं सारखं नोटबुक नो गुड कट मार फक्त डोंट डू इट लाइक दिस ए क्लास एग्जाम क्या मध्ये बचपन के थिंग्स हैं नाउ यू ग्रोन अप हाँ ओके डू लाइक दिस ऐसा नहीं करने का बेटे याद कर this orbital means 4s0 is this orbital so it will be up above this orbital name of this orbital this will be in the middle this will be so when you are writing that this has more space he smart परत बरोपाला येतो नो व्हाईटनर हा मग व्हाईटनर स्पॉट आहे ना आपण सांगता व्हाईटनर म्हणतो थोडं मुखांना मग हा परत बरोपाला येतो परत बरोपाला येतो ना फुल मग व्हाईटनर दिसल्यार मिस्टेक झाली कट मार परत बरे आय विल वेट इट्स अ बॅड हॅबिट ऑफ व्हाईटनर म्हाका नाका दोळ मुखार व्हाईटनर तू म्हाका कितें म्हटल्या कोता येत मागीर ही स्मार्ट म्हाका I had not told you to write for the element orbital for orbital elements कितें बरोवना so every element बरोवपाचें मी काय हॅबिट हांव रावता आय एम गोइंग व्हेरी स्लो फॉर दिस थिंग म्हाका हेका गडबड करून पत्ता येना दिस इज द हार्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री फॉर मी आय एम वेटिंग करा तुम्ही so you will write for Fe again okay and whiteness please don't use पळय म्हाका काय इश्यू ना एक्चुअली व्हाईटनर यूज केलो हांव डायरेक्ट सांगता बट इट्स अ बॅड हॅबिट ती संवय उरता आमची क्लियर Fe+2 इज डन आतां मातशें हांव डिफिकल्ट करता बी केअरफुल फॉर दिस एग्जाम्पल मातशें डिफिकल्ट करता स्टार एलिमेंट क्रोमियम 3+ डू इट स्टार एलिमेंट बी केअरफुल फॉर स्टार एलिमेंट क्रोमियम 3+. Be careful for the star element. Sorry. Correct tell them that atmosphere cut. Atmosphere book aside. Correct. So be careful, star element. Did you got that? No? Okay. Well, OS1 is this orbital, no? So seriously, just about this. The name of this orbital should be just about this. Like 3s, 3, 2p, return. So what is the massive gap so deep? So let's look at that. So 4s create an orbital. Correct? Understood? Know what I mean to say? किधर है? परत दाखवा देना. केअरफुल राहा बरं तुम्ही. क्रोमियम 3+ बरेतो काय क्रोमियम बरेता? नाही दिसते पट्ट्या कशा क्रोमियम 3+ इज इक्वल टू काय सांगतो वर क्रोमियम क्रोमियम बरे टीचर पळयताना हे पळयतली क्रोमियम 3+ आणि हे रॉंग म्हणटली डायरेक्ट पुढाच दवर. What is this 2 or what? Is it looking like a 1? Make it 1 properly. Is this the electronic configuration? Correct? Okay, good. गाले नेत्रावती क्रोमियम कैसा? हाँ. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1 3d5 1s2 2s2 2p6 4s0 3d3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Good. Good. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1 3d5 ऑर्बिटल्स काढपा लायले न्ही जी हांवें. हय दोन्ही सांगले न्ही आता हेजें कितें सांगता आतां असो नेक्स्ट एका होमवर्क दोन्ही करून हाडटा तूं. ओके फूल हा दोन्ही विथ एन एग्जांपल. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s0 3d3 गुड. Good. Good. What is it, 3D? What? Chromium atomic number is 24. Okay. Chromium is a star element, like copper. So chromium atomic number 24. Just focus here. Huh? This is wrong. Huh? I will show you. I will show you. This is wrong. See, where is your 4s1? Where is your 4s orbital? Where is 3D orbital? Where is 3d5 orbital? See, म्हाका तुमको torture करपाचें ना, but teacher see this. She will ask you, where is that 4s1 orbital? You have written for this. She will say like this. Then while writing, see that should know what you are writing. See, now you are written correctly here. It has a meaning here. It has a meaning. You know that meaning. See that you are writing properly. Why I am checking the notebook? Because of these mistakes. म्हाका कित्याक गरज आसा चेक करपाची? Okay, I सांगलां this thing I told, yes or no? So what you do now? Write this again on the, don't cut, write like this. See, see, like copper, no, like chromium also we have a star element, okay? So chromium electronic configuration atomic number 20, most of you have done it correctly. मातशें बरयतना मातशें careful रावात. Okay, the orbitals, the name of the orbital, मातशें careful रावात. It marks वतले, म्हाका तुमगे marks lose केली नाका. So chromium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. I think I said star element, that's why you have written 29. It is for copper. This is for chromium. So 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. It is one electron progress goes to 3d. So then it become half filled. So after chromium, I will draw here one orbital. See, so it is a mistake करता था. Below that you should draw. Below that you should write. Below that you should write like this 3s, 3p. It has a meaning, students, 3d. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Okay. So 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 electrons here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Correct, sir? चुकलें कितें? कितें जालें? Thank you very much. 3p, 6. Clear, done. So chromium 3+ means we have to remove what? 3 electrons. So I will remove 1 electron from here and 2 electrons from here. Correct, sir? So we will get 4s0, 3d3. So the electronic configuration will be, you understood now? All understood? Yes? Clear? Okay, so it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s0, and 3d3. Okay? Okay, कोणातरी exam हे example येतलें. For sure, chromium 3+. Because it's a star element, no? So the confusion जावपा जाय म्हणून 4s2, 3d4. Some of the students will write 4s2, 3d4. And they will remove 2 electrons from here, 1 electron from here. Which is actually wrong. Okay, like this we have one more. Okay, next example. Next example. Okay, so what you do now, don't write the orbitals for the element. Just write the electronic configuration, orbital only for the ion. But I'm hoping that you will write correctly in the exam if it is asked. Okay, so write for copper plus 2. Copper plus 2, Cu plus 2. Cu is also a star element. Copper atomic number is 29.
What do they do?
Copper bore, copper 2 plus bore, copper plus ache, copper ache, don't write this electron, it's orbitals. Don't draw the orbitals.
Don't worry.
Yes, only write the electronic configuration of copper. Practice of it, star element is on Benjamin, understanding? Understanding? Why your return is again then? No problem, but just asking. This also your return, again your return. Okay, no problem. Kaita? Sure. Diya, ni? Kaita? What is 0? You're writing for copper or copper plus 2? Copper. 4 is 0. Occur. $29, no? So 10, 12, 18, 19 and 10, 29, no? So 4 is 1, that should be. Then it should be copper 2 plus here. Got the meaning? I got confused why? You have not written the plus 2. So when I asked, you said copper. Understood? No? Teachers, I know you know the thing. You know the thing. Your teacher will don't know that you know the thing. Understood? These are the mistakes we make. Did you what? कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन काढले रे हाँ कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन काढले सोडले मग नोटबुक किती चेक करतो कॉल तुमका ते खबरच असपा ना त्याने 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन काढल्या म्हणून खबर ऍक्च्युअली कॉपर फक्त एक आयदर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनचा 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन त्या कापसताच होते ना 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन दिवपा त्यांचे आहेत ना 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन दिवपा ऍक्च्युअली ओके सो बी केअरफुल आणि म्हाका सॉरी म्हणनाका कॉपरा सॉरी म्हण कॉपराच्यान जायना 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन दिवपा ऍक्च्युअली रिजन मागीर सांगता तुमका एज द चॅप्टर गोज कॉपराच्या फक्त एक नाल्यार 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाता म्हणून कॉपराचो चार्ज +1 आणि +2 असता Fe also चार्ज +2 आणि +3 Fe केन्नाचो चार्ज तुमका +5 आणि +7 केन्ना दिसपाना नेवर Fe +5 +7 केन्ना दिसपाना दिसत जाल्यार म्हाका सांग ओनली +2 +3 लायक दॅट क्रोमियम एक +2 असता +3 असता manganese shows +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6 +7 manganese can show many रिझन असतं सगळी गोष्टी ओके सो बी केअरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम बरेच त्यांना ओके दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड बट असो फर्स्ट टाइम वगैरे असो यू विल राइट दिस अगेन एट होम टुडेज होमवर्क फॉर यू ओके क्लियर डन सो कॉपर आता तुमका कळ्ळें आसतलें वॉट आहे मातशें मातशें कळपा लागतलें आय टोल्ड यू ऑल आय एम लायक दिस फॉर केमिस्ट्री आय एम व्हेरी सिरियस हांव बेस्ट म्हाका टाइम वेस्ट जाल्यार चलता बट तुमगे नोटबुक यू शुड रायट परफेक्टली दॅट इज माय एम म्हणून हांव सगळ्यांक सांगता थोडी म्हाजी बेजारता आसतली सर कितें रे एक मिस्टेक काडटा 2 मिस्टेक काडटा तुमगे टिचर फाटी फुडें पळोवपा ना तुमकां मार्क्स 0 घालपाक दे विल नॉट लूक दे विल डायरेक्टली रॉंग हू इज शी डोंट नो 0 तिच्या रोल नंबर आणि नाव चेक करतली. हा ओके, दिस इज समन्स पेपर. ओके, दिस इज नेत्रावतीच पेपर. हा खबर आसता ताका. रॉंग केल्यार तुजो मन ना घालतली. ताका लागून हांव बुक चेक करता फॉर युअर सेफ्टी. ओके, आणि एक एक्झाम्पल घे. कॉपर +2 जालो न्ही. झिंक +2, Zn2+. Good. See that you are writing the speech properly. It is written at a zero. Be careful. Legend understand? Understand? एक फावटी बरें फास्ट करपाक ट्राय केलें, रॉंग केलें न्ही. इतले वेळ सगळे करेक्ट केलें, एक फास्ट करपाक ट्राय केलें, रॉंग केलें. बी केअरफुल हा नेक्स्ट टाइम. हांव येवपा ना एग्जामी सांगपाक. I know you know the concept, but wrong ते wrong. Okay, be careful, please. Lisa, understanding now? Okay. अरे भगवान, आज खंय आसा तुगे तकली? खंय दवरून आयला घरा कडेन तकली? कितें खाल्लें सकाळ दनपारां सांग? फ्रायड रायस, वेज काय नॉन वेज? वडा, वेज काय नॉन वेज? वेज. म्हणून तसं सांगता. ताणें तो इलेक्ट्रॉन खंयच्यान काडल्या? काडल्या मागीर तिचो इलेक्ट्रॉन आसा. म्हाका सॉरी म्हण नाका, तेका सॉरी म्हण. से सॉरी टू 4S, नॉट मी. एवरी टाइम बुक चेक करपाक आतां हांव चेक करता म्हणून बरें आसा. केन्ना केन्ना पावता हांव, केन्ना केन्ना पावना. I know you all drain जातात. I can understand that. Drain जातात. I can understand. But I'm giving that much time also. So check the electronic configuration of Zn2+. It will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Correct me? So Zn2+, it will be 4s0, 3d10. Clear? Okay. Next example. Vanadium 3+. The atomic number to you will be told by Lisa. Ask her. She's the last one. What's the atomic number of vanadium? Ask her. You don't know. She's telling me. I don't know. What she said? 20? She's correct. She knows it. You know what I asked her? I wanted to ask her, but if I ask her, she will say, तुका पळयता हांवें हात काडून वाचून सांगलें 23. She's not telling me the same way. Does she do like this? She tells me like this, yes or no? To her, 23. Don't worry, Lisa. I'm just joking, huh? म्हाका भंय दिसता अशें केन्ना. Don't take it personally any time. Just a joke, so joke. No, last benches are my always favorite. Do it. तुका काय म्हणणार? Do it slowly. Good. Did you are not using coloring pen in the exam, huh? By mistake also. हमको सोने होते हैं. Yeah, but now see that examic comfortable check कर पाते हैं 2-3-40 तो डायरेक्ट बरेचा मग काय म्हणणं आता यू आर युज टू एक्झामी जर रॉंग करून आयले वेट अँड वॉच अवय अरे आताच एकटो कोणतरी मेळपा जायत तू म्हाका एवरी एग्जाम्पलाक अशें ना की आमी ओके 100% शुअर कितले इलेक्ट्रॉन काडपाक सांगल्या की 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन खंयच्यान काडले तें कितें हांव येतलो एग्जामी सांगपाक थिंगा कर मरे कितें खंय आसता तुवें कितें खाल्लें दनपारां कितें खाल्लें दनपारां कितें जेवलो चिकन मरे तेजोच इफेक्ट तो चड खाला आसतलें शीत एकटो तरी कोण मेळटात म्हाका ओके जस्ट चेक आं वेराडियम मार पडटलो बेजार येवपा लागलो पर तिचे एग्जाम्पल करून पूण म्हाका एकटो कोण तरी मेळटात लास्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल्स म्हाका दोनूय एग्जाम्पल करेक्ट जाय हांव परत सांगता लास्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल बेस्ट 2 and so if I find anyone doing wrong things so that person will write all the examples 10 times पळय लास्ट 2 एग्जाम्पल्स म्हणजे फोकस एंड रायट सेम मिस्टेक परत रिपीट जावपाक जायना आय नो यू नो द थिंग्स बट एग्जामीक कोण येवपाना सांगपा हांव येतलो ते येतले तो येतलो 4s2 3d3 correct न्ही 2 electrons from 4s 1 electron from 3d so it will be 4s0 and 3d2 correct okay 4s0 and 3d2 so next example and 3 minus you know the atomic number of nitrogen whom to ask okay don't ask ask Dhar Netravati ask her atomic number of nitrogen ask her next time I will ask you you should know what you are looking huh nitrogen atomic number atom bomb hydrogen bomb nitrogen खबर ना what is atomic number nitrogen Cristiano Ronaldo तो खबर है you did 1 to 30 by heart ती मग पयर सांगताली आपण बरोवन दाखयता म्हणून म्हाका हा today you will write 1 to 30 elements homework for you on the last page and bring okay हा किती हा किती झाले what happened and 3 minus something wrong is going on let's check by nitrogen 1s2 2s2 and what 2p आता पळय केअरफुल राव मधी मायनस दिला हांवें how many of you remove the electrons from there be careful I have given minus don't go with the flow how many of you removed electron एकट्यान हातवर काढला आणि कोण होतं check कर ते गेले okay 3 minus means we have to add how many electrons 3 so it will be 1s2 2s2 आणि 2p6. 2p6. आता तो 2 फाटी चित्तलो बरेच पयलीं. You understood, no? Why I'm checking the notebooks now? Meaning कळ्ळें न्ही? Because small mistakes can lose your marks. Okay? Last example for today and one more homework. Okay? कोणा बारीक होमवर्क दिला ते करपाचें घराडे वचून. Okay? 1 to 30. You will write on the last page. बाकी होमवर्क हांवें थोड्या दिल्या. तुझे रॉंग केल्या पळय ते परत बरयतलो. ते दोन examples which you made wrong. 2 examples ते परत बरयतलो. Okay? Next example is oxygen 2 minus दिला हांवें चेक कर. Yes, दिला न्ही? बरें व्हडलें दिवया न्ही? Manganese plus 5. Manganese plus 5. Manganese plus 5. Mn. Ask sir. Stanley. Pronounce like this. Stanley. Yeah. Lisa. Manganese. Yes. Magnesium. Symbol for magnesium. Manganese. M. Manganese symbol. Helper for the manganese symbol. M. Mn. See here. Must practice kara. I have Mn. Manganese. And magnesium is Mg. This is atomic number 12. This is atomic number 25. Be careful. This exam mistake karna ka. Manganese plus 5.